Welcome guys, today I want to present you a topic, how to investigate the continuity of function. I think that is quite easy and after that video you'll get it 100%. First of all, I will present you a definition. I think that the formal one, which is here, it's not that quite understandable, but I wrote it the less formal one, which is really easy to get. Okay, the continuity of function means that the function has a smooth and uninterrupted graph, without any sudden breaks or jumps. This means that the function can be drawn without lifting the pen from the paper. Maybe it's not really mathematical one, but I think it's quite easy to understand that. I will give you examples of graphs now to understand it more. Here is three types of discontinuity. First of all, removable, which is here. It means that only in this, for example, here is in the point A, you don't have the value. Here, limit doesn't exist. For example, here it doesn't exist too in both situations where this line is here limits doesn't exist. And jump, that means that, for example, here exists from left hand, but from right hand it doesn't exist and is discontinuity. Okay, here you have more examples. For example, sine and cosine is continuous function, but tangent, for example, is not continuous. You have some graphs. For example, here is the most popular, I think, continuous function without any weird situation. It's really easy to, I think, understand. Here is continuous. Here is discontinuity because you have in here in the zero you have don't have any of existing value at x0 like they mentioned here. Okay. Three steps of test continuity. First of all, you have to define FA. After that, in the second step is to check that a limit at the point A exists. If it's true, after that we have to evaluate the limits of right-hand limit, left-hand limit, and at the point A, and check that the values are the same. If it's true, we checking that our defined FA is the same. And if it's true, that means that it's continuous. If it's not, it's discontinuity. Okay. Here we have example, which I will evaluate. Sorry for the quality, but it's hard to do it without without using uh, the mouse. Here is first step, like I mentioned, f and 1 minus 1 is 3, and after that we checking every limit from the left hand, right hand, and at the point, and we see that every is have the same value. After that we checking, and this function is continuous because we see here that 3 is 3. Okay, here you can try to do it yourself. Here is an example. You can stop now the video and try to do it yourself. If you already evaluated, here is answer. I think that it was quite easy. I'm counting for that you got it 100%. I think that was quite easy. Thank you for your attention.